Dr. Villanueva. If it's been a while since you've seen your healthcare team, it's time to reconnect. Find out your blood pressure numbers, cholesterol, and blood glucose levels. Learn how to improve your health and put a spring in your step.
Hi, I'm City of Columbia Mayor Daniel Rickman. Many of my family and friends with cardiovascular and other chronic diseases rely on trusted community pharmacists for convenient, accessible care. Patient-centered, team-based care, which includes pharmacists, improves patient outcomes and is cost-effective. So let's work together to ensure that pharmacists can continue to provide the vital clinical and prevention services. Thank you.
Go off script for a moment to say something to you about the important work that the ABC does. Every patient they manage not only impacts the patient, but impacts that family. My own daughter died of congestive heart failure at 47 years of age. Okay? When I saw her wearing a vest, I said, "Baby, you need a pacer defibrillator. Tell your doctor you need that." She went back and the doctor said, "No, I'm going to manage you medically." Less than 10 days later, she was dead. It's the lack of sensitivity and the lack of curiosity about how to work on behalf of our patients. That's a part of what the mission of the ABC is, to impact and improve. How many other lives are going to be impacted like mine? We got to continue to do this work. And what makes it bad is that my family is no different from yours. My family is no different from yours. So what we've got to do is come together. We've got to come together with no divisions. Support the work of the ABC. Support the vision of Richard Allen Williams. Support the leadership. And let's find ways to do this together. We don't need to lose young lives anymore. We have the science that we can make a difference, and let's make the commitment. I used the tagline of the ABC, which children should know their grandparents. I used that in most of my talks over the last 20 years. I'm glad to see we've got a new one. That one still rings true, because too many people in Mississippi, where I live, were dying too soon. But we've got folks there now that are really soulful warriors to make a difference. And as I met him yesterday and talked about, we're going to work together. So I'm asking you to join with us in making a pledge that we're going to continue to work with the ABC and for the ABC and for our communities to make a difference for our families. Thank you so very much for this award on behalf of the National Forum, and we look forward to continued working with you.
Physical activity prevents stress, anxiety, and depression. It's even better when you do it with others. Join me in a Move with the Mayor event, or go out with the family or with your friends or coworkers, and let's get moving.
I'm Tempe Mayor Corey Woods, and I wanted to talk to you about why it's important to get a flu shot every year. We all have our own reasons. Mine happens to be that I am a lifelong asthmatic. So every time I get sick, it triggers my asthma and other kinds of respiratory issues. So I make sure that I get my flu shot each and every year, not just to keep myself healthy, but to keep others around me healthy that I interact with. So please make sure, Tempe residents, that you come out this year and get your flu shot.
So visit your pharmacist or healthcare professional today. Get your flu shot and keep our community healthy.